Okay, so the next part, we're going to do the same thing as we did on the very first page, where they give you a math expression, but they tell you what the variable is. On the first page, we only had one variable that we were working with. We had to insert a number in for x. This time I have 3 variables in this one, but they tell me what the a is, they tell me what the b is, and they tell me what the c is. So all I have to do is insert those numbers. So if this is b squared, b is -9, that means I have -9 squared. Minus the 4, it's connected to the a, which is 1, which is connected to the c, which is -5. Okay, by order of operations, I have to do parentheses first, but I don't have parentheses, but I do have exponent, which comes next. -9 times -9 is 81. And I keep talking about order of operations, and I know that we had order of operations in chapter 1. I believe it was chapter 1. If you are unfamiliar with order of operations, that means you do parentheses first, you do exponents next, multiply or divide whichever comes first, add or subtract whichever comes first. Okay. So we did parentheses. You only do parentheses if there's something inside to do, and there wasn't. So then we moved on to exponents, multiply or divide. So we only have multiplication. So I have this one first, and then I have this one. And really, I can do this all in my head since they're small numbers, so I will. But I'm going to bring the 81 down first. So -4 times 1 is -4, and -4 times -5 is +20. And those two added together is 101. Okay. Now I have M and N, so I only have 2 letters I have to work with. So I have 3, and M is 4, so 4 squared minus 5. M is 4, N is -6. Oh, no, sorry. 5mn minus -6 squared. Okay. There's no parentheses, nothing to do, nothing to do, nothing to do, nothing to do. Exponents is next, so I'm going to do that and that. So I have 3 times 4 times 4 is 16, because it's 2 4s being multiplied together. Bring this down. Okay. -6 times -6 is +36. Okay. Exponents are done. Move on to multiplication or division. Multiply, multiply, oh, and then we have another multiply after that. So let's do 3 times 16 first, which is 48. -5 times 4 is -20, and -20 times -6 is +120. (48 plus 120 is 168. And 168 minus 36 is 132.